Hello everyone, we are going to install a magnetic mosquito net for our balcony. So let's get started.
We have ordered a LifeKrafts mosquito net for our balcony. So we open the box and we have a nice mosquito net. This is the color we have chosen. Also it comes along with the velcro tape and small box with thumb pin and also instruction manual. Very nicely packed, and even this instruction manual is very nice and clear. Yeah, first you have to fix the top velcro, the one which is thicker. Align it here to the top. Once this is fixed, then you can fix the thinner ones to the sides. What it is after the final installation. It's very neat and looks very elegant.
This product was brought from Amazon and the product details are given in the description. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe.